Hello students, good morning, welcome to the class. Today we are going to learn a very interesting poem. Okay, the poem is about articles and the title of the poem is The Article Town. Do you know what are articles? Articles are nothing but a and the. These three are called as articles. Okay, this is a part of grammar, children. We are learning this from our first class. So, a and the, these are called as articles. So, we have got a small poem about these articles and the title is The Article Town. Okay, so let us see what's it about. So, all of you open your course books. And turn to page number 42. So, this is the article town. So, let us read the poem. Most of you can't stand without us, but you can't have all in chorus. Each of us appear at different time, and with that your sentence will be just fine. So, what is he saying? We cannot frame a sentence without using this, isn't it? Wherever necessary we have to use a, wherever necessary we need to use an, and wherever necessary we have to use the in our sentence, and these three things will make our sentence just fine. We cannot use this all together, but we have got specific requirement where we have to use this a, where we have to use and where we have to use the, and the proper and correct usage of these articles will make our sentence fine. So you can see each of us appear at different time. It is not necessary and it is not correct that we use this a and the at a time in a sentence, isn't it? We use this whenever there is a usage. So each of us appear at different time. So whenever we want to use, whenever there is necessary according to the sentence, we use this a and the. So let us see where we have to use this a and the. We are only 3 people in the town wearing the indefinite or the definite crown. Okay, so this, how many? A and the. So we are discussing about article town. So how many members are there in this town? 3 members. Who are they? A and the. So we are only 3. So they are wearing a crown, it seems. Do you know what is a crown? So they are wearing, the crown is which the king and the queens wear. Okay, the crown. So they are wearing a crown. What is the crown they are wearing, children? The crown is of definite and indefinite. What is the crown they are wearing? Definite and indefinite crown. So let us see what is that. The being the definite man, indefinite ones are a and. So what is the crown? The is wearing the crown of definite, whereas a and these are wearing the crown of indefinite. It means a and are called as indefinite articles, the is called as definite article. An is before a word beginning with a vowel sound, a is before a word beginning with a consonant sound. The is when you are specific or even when you are sure of the pick. So let us see where we have to use. A is used before a consonant sound. An is used before a vowel sound. What are vowels, children? Do you remember vowels? Yes, what are vowels? A, E, I, O, U. These are called as vowels. So whenever you begin a spelling with this vowel sound, we use an. Suppose an apple, isn't it? A is a vowel. An apple. E, an elephant. Okay, an elephant. An egg. I, an ice cream. An igloo. Then O, an orange. In this way, U, an umbrella. So in this way we use this and before a vowel sound. So a is used before a consonant sound. For example, a book.